Hi, I'm Indy Jung. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making some food and talking about a bunch of random shit you may or may not be interested in. I'm not really sure where to start, guys. I guess I should thank everyone for all your nice comments on my last video. As always, I'm really grateful. Here we have a package of chicken and cheese taquitos. I consider myself a really cautious and safe driver, and I think people in California hate that because I only drive 10 miles over the speed limit. Here we have our lovely plate of chicken and cheese taquitos, and here we have a can of Chipotle peppers. It's very spicy, very smoky flavored, it's very delicious. The taquitos are very dry. Tastes like burning. Definitely getting hot in here. I feel like this soda just made it worse. I'm a very sweaty dinosaur right now. Oh, fuck. Well, that was painful, but delicious. I want to give a big shout out to How Nguyen and William Diaz Brown, aka Showbiza, for generously donating to my GoFundMe page. And I want to give a big thanks to everyone who supports my channel through views and comments and subscribing. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. Stomach hurts. In today's video, I gotta find a better way to start these videos. Only drive 10. I fucking hate California drivers. I really have to go use the bathroom now.